Alright, so we got our first little interesting crossing. We're going to be going under the bridge, under the highway. Here we go. This way. Through a tunnel. I'm gonna try this whole video thing out, see how we do on the Ozark Highlands trail. Alright, made it through. I went here to the left, headed west on the Buffalo River Trail / Ozark Highlands Trail. Alright, so we have the Collier Homestead here near Tyler Bend. And a squirrel running up the porch. There's a smokehouse, everything out here. Well, it's a pretty neat little place. Don't watch your noggin if you're about 6 feet tall. Let's bump your head. Old fireplace over here. That's what I mean. You better watch your head. Oh, this thing's getting creaky. And where their storage used to be for canned goods. Uh-oh, stranger danger. We just dropped down off this hill. I'm about to do a little road walk. And turn right here. Walk down this road, across this field, and we'll cross Calf Creek. There's not a lot of signs on this stretch. Starting to sprinkle a little. And this particular part of the trail, from here over to Richland Creek, has always been a little bit confusing for me. We'll hike the road down in this valley, skirt the valley, go up the hill on a bluff, and knock back into the woods, and down the hill. It's always been kind of tough to find, but doesn't look like we're going to get wet feet with this creek crossing. Everything's pretty dry. Here we are at Calf Creek. We just come across the field. It's starting to rain a little bit. We're crossing Calf Creek, and this is usually a pretty deep crossing, but not today. For whatever reason, we ain't got any water. We're gonna cross there. Let's see, Dry Creek. Down that way is Buffalo. Alright, we're making our way downhill. We just jumped back on trail from the long road walk back there. And we're going to cross another road right down here. Once we cross the road, we'll be heading straight to a little bluff above the Buffalo River, where we'll stop for lunch today. I'll check back in when we get there. Made it up here to the little bluff on top of the Buffalo here. Trail makes a bend here. Goes back up that way into Wisnant Hollow. There's this nice little overlook. It's starting to rain again. There's my bag. Yeah, it's starting to rain again. Let's see. Walks out here on a point. Nice little overlook. And big old bluff here in front of us. Kind of see over there. Down there's the Buffalo. It's really pretty. There's the Buffalo down there. Rain feels kind of good. Well, back on trail here after lunch, skirting around the bluffs of the Buffalo River. Big bluffs there, the Buffalo River down below. Nice trail up here. Another little overlook right here. Several along this little bend in the river. Not far from Richland Creek. I'm a little over halfway now. I'll be there soon. That Sleigh Ranch Cemetery. An old cemetery. Actually, let's see. I'll get through here with my backpack. That's sweet. Some of these have got markers on, some of them don't. Let's see. This one's already sinking in. January 20th, 1898. $1902. There's several back there from the late 1800s. Very wild, it's way out here. Made it to Dave Main's Bluff. Buffalo River. Got a little downhill and uphill down to Richland Creek. Not far. So, on the trail, that's where we came from. This is the whole trail down to this view. Nice view up and down the river. Check it out. Buffalo River down below. Down through there. Richland Creek just over the hill there. Almost made it. Making our way up Robertson Hill. About made it to the top. We got some cars up here. Had a couple blowdowns we had to go around back there. It's a couple big ones. But other than that, it's been a pretty good trail. old car out here. Never made it out. We just got a little bit go. And we're gonna be headed downhill to Richland Creek. Alright, I made it here to the buffalo. I'm gonna stop here for the night camp. Do it all over again tomorrow. I got my tent sitting here. About to make some dinner. Call it a day. That's 15 miles from Grinder's Ferry to Richland Creek crossing.